Hello. Let's discuss the find function in Excel. Find function finds one string in the other string and returns the location inside the other string. It is case sensitive. Let's do that. Equal to find and I select. I want to find this M in this text of Mahatma Gandhi. What location it should return? Yes, it has returned 1, means M is in the first position of this. And as I said, it is case sensitive. So let's find the small m. Find the small m and within the text, this text. What position it should return? You're right, it should return 6th position because small m is at the 6th position. There are multiple A's in this. Let's see first the find. This find text A, small a in Mahatma Gandhi. And I press enter and I get it is available at 2nd position. If I want to skip some data from the beginning and then I want Excel to start searching, can I do that? Absolutely, you can do that. Let's see the syntax of find function. It says find text, what I want to find, within what text I want to find, and this is optional, which is start number. That's where we can specify the position from where it should start searching. I want it to start searching after the first word Mahatma. Mahatma has 7 characters, so I will, and the space is also taken as a character, so it is 8 character. So I will ask the Excel, search for A in Mahatma Gandhi, skipping first 8 characters. Skipping first 8 characters. Very simple. So it has found that A is available on the 10th position in this character. So it has skipped first 8 characters, 9th is G and A is 10th. Very easy. Let's see this function again, what I have used. Using my internal function, find A in Mahatma Gandhi, skipping 8 position. Very good. Now let's find a string. So find Atma in Mahatma Gandhi. I don't want it to skip anything. It's on 4th position. So when if it finds the complete match, which is Atma in this, it gives from where it starts. So Atma is here and it's the string Atma starts from 4th position. So it has given us the 4th position. What happens if you give something which is not there? So ABC is not there in Mahatma Gandhi. So I'm using this. If it's not there, it will give an error, which is a value error. And if you don't want to see this error, instead of it, see some text message, good message, which it conveys, you can use a function called if error. Excel has a function called if error, and in that you can write find function, find ABC in Mahatma Gandhi. What it says is, if the value is not an error value, we will get the answer, and if it is an error value, we can tell Excel what to say. So not available, it will be the output. So if it is available, show me the number, and if it is not available, just put a message is not available, don't give me an error. See how it works? So it's not available. I just replace this by A and see it has returned 2. When it is available, it will return the value, and when it is not available, it will give not available instead of this error. So very simple if error you can use. Let's see an advanced use of this function where we use it to find something and then extract that value out of the data. So if I have this function data called www.sureshkadam.com, I want to extract Suresh Kadam from this data if it is there. So first we will use a find function to find whether Suresh Kadam is there in this data. So it has found it and it is on 5th position. Now I will use a mid function of Excel to extract this value. So above this, I will write a mid function. So see what I'm doing? I'm writing a mid function outside this. Mid. It requires from which text I want to find. So I'm giving this text. It is asking from starting number, from where I should extract that. My find function is helping me to find the starting number automatically. So I am using find function there automatically. Then my mid function says how many characters to extract. Suresh Kadam is an 11 letters word, so I type 11 letters and then I close this function. I press enter and I get Suresh Kadam extracted from this data. Using my formula again, I show the function mid. Find is giving me the start position, and in mid I am saying it is in this text starting from this give me 11 character, that is this 11 can also be obtained directly by using length function of Excel. Length Suresh Kadam, it will give you 11. I hope you have understood how to use find and a combination of find and mid to get extracted data from the text. Thank you very much.